Activity 6, Intro to Plugins. Plugins is how you expand tax capabilities by adding into or subtracting tools, so you're not using a lot of data that you don't need, but you get the tools that you need installed. We're going to start by focusing on the GRG builder, which will give us a grid. So head up over to the Play Store and download the ATAK GRG plugin, install it. Once it's installed, you hit your hamburger icon, scroll your plugins, and you have to load the GRG plugin. Go back to your main menu, select the GRG tool. What we're going to do is we're going to have you drop the center of the GRG on the black dot of CP9 on your map. What that will allow is if everyone puts the center on the same spot, your grid will line up with everyone else's grid without the need for receiving data packages or whatever. It allows you to build a common operational picture in a situation where you can't share. Anyway, we'll set it as a 10 by 12, and don't forget to turn on your label, your compass, and some of your other tools.
Let's drop a GRG grid on this. The creation GRG builder. Going to add one. We're going to edit. Change the name to landnav. Edit components. Let's make it a 10 by 12. Add that size to the chart. 10 by 12. And 50 meter spacing. Was that right? I don't think so. That was 100. There we go. So we're going to close that up for half a second. Show crosshair. I'm going to zoom in a bit. We're going to move grid, and we're going to zoom in right here by G9. Tap it there. That way it's centered. Our GRG will match everyone else's GRG. I'll show the compass, true and magnetic, and we'll stick it over on the right side so it's out of the way. That shows our magnetic declination. Close that out of my way, close that out of the way. Go up to grid labels, show grid labels, and then color. Let's make it blue. We can change its opacity depending on how strong the light you want to show. All right, that's our GRG. Now we have a common reference point with people who aren't on ATAK, or if we're not connected to other ATAK users. You could screenshot this on your phone and message it to other people, and we have a common reference point.